Honorable Principal and Director, sir.
Respected teachers.
Dear parents.
And my fellow students.
I am Vaishnavi from class 9.
And I am Aditya from class 9.
We are saying
a very happy Independence Day to everyone.
Today, we gather to celebrate the most significant day in the history of our nation. The day when India awoke to freedom, when the dreams and sacrifices of countless freedom fighters became reality.
आज का दिन हमारे देश के इतिहास में सुनहरे अक्षरों में लिखा गया है। आज वो दिन है जब हमारे वीर सपूतों ने अपने प्राणों की आहुति देकर हमें आजाद भारत का उपहार दिया था।
Yes, on 15th August 1947, our beloved country broke the chain of British rule after a long and courageous struggle. It's a day to remember the bravery of our leader and the unity of our people. Let us begin this auspicious occasion by invoking the blessings of Almighty to guide us toward peace, unity and prosperity.
Now it is time for most awaited and proud moment of today's celebration, the flag hoisting ceremony.
I humbly request Honorable Director, sir, to do the honor of our beloved tricolor.
आज से 78 वर्ष पहले वो पहली स्वतंत्रता की सुबह, शायद हमारे जनसंख्या के 1% या उससे भी कम लोग बचे होंगे जो अपनी आंखों से देखे होंगे जब 15 अगस्त 1947 को पहला सूरज निकला होगा और देशवासियों को स्वतंत्रता की बधाई दिया होगा। उस समय कैसा मंजर होगा देश का, जब हमारे देशवासी जो हमसे बिछड़ गए उनका दुख और स्वतंत्रता की खुशी को लेके स्वतंत्रता दिवस मनाए होंगे। इसका हम केवल कल्पना कर सकते हैं, हम केवल कल्पना में सोच सकते हैं कि वह कैसा मंजर होगा जो पहला स्वतंत्रता दिवस होगा। उस समय हमारे गीतकार प्रदीप ने एक गीत लिखी थी जिसको लता मंगेशकर ने गाया। ऐ मेरे वतन के लोगों जरा आंख में भर लो पानी, जो शहीद हुए हैं उनको जरा याद करो कुर्बानी। वो लोग थे स्वाभिमानी, वो लोग थे अभिमानी। मैं आपको इस स्वतंत्रता दिवस की बहुत बहुत बधाई, बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं। जय हिंद, जय भारत।
आइए इस आजादी के पलों को हम कुछ कलाकार और उनकी कलाओं के द्वारा सजाएं और उन शहीदों को याद करें जिनके कारण आज हम आजाद हवा में सांस ले रहे हैं।
लेकिन उससे पहले हम आपके सामने दो पंक्तियां प्रस्तुत करना चाहेंगे।
कभी मीरा कभी खुसरो कभी रसखान हो जाऊं, कभी राधा गाना का मैं बिल्कुल भान हो जाऊं। मैं वंदे मातरम की धुन कहीं बजते हुए सुन लूं, मैं वंदे मातरम की धुन कहीं बजते हुए सुन लूं, तिरंगे की तरह इजलाके में हिंदुस्तान हो जाऊं।
Wow, what a line! Now let's begin today's celebrations.
I would like to call Rudra Bhardwaj from class 9 for a speech.
Good morning, my young guardians of our freedom, my fellow students, my beloved teachers, and my respected principal sir. I am Rudra Bhardwaj, mastering knowledge in class 9th in modern school, standing before you to deliver my speech that I have titled The Call for Freedom. I feel very honored to speak on this glorious occasion of Independence Day. As the sun rises over our motherland, it lights not only the fields and the cities of our country, but also the proud history of our struggle for freedom. From Mahatma Gandhi's call for be the change that you want to wish in this world, to Bhagat Singh's very words that they may kill me but they cannot kill my ideas. Our nationalists lit a torch that still burns in our hearts, in our souls of youth today. Our freedom fighters Gandhi, Bose, Bhagat Singh, Rani Lakshmibai, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, and Raja Ram Mohan Roy, and countless unnamed heroes which fought for something greater than themselves. They gave their youth, their sweat, their blood, even their lives so that we could stand here free. But my friends, it is not the end. It is the beginning. As
Now I would like to call Arvind from class nursery for a melodious song performance.
Good morning to everyone. My name is Pramshi from class 4th A. Today is a 15 August. At first, I wish you a very happy Independence Day. This year we celebrate 79th Independence Day. Independence Day is our national festival. On 15 August 1947, our India become independent from British rule.
Rudranshi for your speech. Now I would like to call Rudranshi from class 4th A.
Good morning everyone, I am Rudranshi from class 4th A. Today I am here to present a speech. Let's start. Every year on 15th August we celebrate Independence Day with great pride and joy. It is one of the most important days for every Indian. On this day we got freedom from British rule in 1947 after many years sacrifice and hard working. But many brave freedom fighters like Subhash Chandra Bose, Mahatma Gandhi, Rani Lakshmibai, Bhagat Singh gave their life to make our India free. And we remember the great heroes who show the courage and love for the motherland. Let me end my speech with these lines. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you.
क्या लड़ाई हो रहा है?
सब कुछ मिल
90% and above in the board exams 2025. So they have actually made us proud, not only us, but also their teachers, their parents, their guardians, and they have set examples for all of us. So please give them a big round of applause. Clap everyone for the students. And they have actually demonstrated that hard work, determination, and persistence, with these all things, you can get anything in your life. So without a further ado, let's call them here. First of all, our director sir, so please come here, come forward to prize them.
आजा आजा जिंद शामी आने के तले, आजा जरी वाले नीले आसमाने के तले। जय हो